see, I can talk. I must tell you this joke I heard from Sparrow. So I was talking to her the other day and she said, it was hilarious. It was so funny. I can't even remember what she said, but she had us in hysterics. Oh, Ren, I'm going to have to call you back. There's someone at the door.
Do you know how fast you were just going?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. It was just a lapse in judgment. I'm a single parent. I've got 3 jobs and I'm just trying to drop my son off and get from one place to the next.
Harry, just consider it a warning and get yourself away. Oh, what are you doing, baby? Come on.
Right, mister, have you got all your stuff? Okay, have a great weekend, pet. I'll see you on Monday morning. Love you. Bye.